In this class, let us learn about dipole in uniform electric field. Consider a uniform electric field and a dipole kept with its axis making an angle theta with the field. The positive charge will experience a force in the direction of field and the negative charge will experience a force in the opposite direction. The force acting on the charge F plus Q is equal to EQ and F minus Q is equal to EQ. Both the forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. But they act at different points, so they form a couple. But the net force is zero, as the forces are equal and opposite. But a torque acts on the dipole. Tau is equal to force into perpendicular distance between the lines of the forces. The perpendicular distance is BC. From the triangle ACB, sin theta is equal to BC by AB. BC is D and AB is the dipole length 2A. So D is equal to 2A sin theta. Therefore, torque is equal to force into distance. Force is EQ. EQ into 2A sin theta. Q into 2A is P, dipole moment P. Therefore, torque is equal to P is sin theta. Since torque is a vector quantity, we can write the torque as the cross product of P and T, or tau is equal to P cross E. As the net force is zero, there is no translatory motion. But a torque acts on the dipole, so the dipole rotates. If theta equals 0 or 180 degree, torque is 0 because sin 0 0 and sin 180 also 0. If theta is 90 degree, torque is PE. It is a maximum value because sin 90 is 1. If theta is 30 degree, then torque is P by 2, half the maximum value because sin 30 is half. If the dipole is kept in a non-uniform field, force acting on the positive charge is E1 Q and force acting on the negative charge is E2 Q. Since the field is non-uniform, E1 is not equal to E2. So the forces are not equal in magnitude. So the net force is not 0. So the dipole has translatory motion and rotatory motion. If theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree, torque is 0 but force is not equal to 0. So let us consider a dipole parallel to the electric field. E1 is the electric field at Q and E2 is the electric field at minus Q. If E1 greater than E2, force on plus Q is greater than force on minus Q. So the net force acts in the direction of F plus Q. So the dipole moves in the direction of electric field. If E1 less than E2, force on positive charge is less than force on negative charge. So the net force is in the direction of F minus Q, opposite to the electric field. So the dipole moves in the opposite direction of electric field. Now let us see the potential energy of a dipole in an electric field. When a dipole is kept in an electric field, it experiences a torque, P cross E. The torque will tend to rotate the dipole. If an external torque is applied which neutralizes this torque, then the net torque is 0 and the system rotates without acceleration. The external torque should be equal to the torque acting on the dipole in the electric field, that is P cross E. The magnitude of the torque is Pe sin theta. The work done by the external torque is stored as the potential energy of the dipole. The increase in potential energy delta U is the work done is equal to integral dW, that is equal to integral tau d theta, that is equal to integral theta 1 to theta 2, initial orientation theta 1 and the final orientation theta 2, P sin theta d theta. But integral sin theta d theta is minus cos theta. And on applying limits, minus P cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Increase in potential energy or work done is equal to final potential energy minus initial potential energy. Comparing with this equation, the final potential energy is minus P cos theta 2 and the final initial potential energy is minus P cos theta 1. So the potential energy of a dipole in an electric field is minus P cos theta, where theta is the orientation of the dipole. If theta is equal to 0, U is equal to minus P. Cos 0 is 1. It is the minimum value of the potential energy. Then the dipole is said to be in stable equilibrium and torque is 0. The dipole axis is parallel to the electric field. If theta is 180 degree, the potential energy is Pe, maximum. Then the dipole is said to be in unstable equilibrium and the torque is 0. The dipole axis is anti-parallel to electric field. If theta is 90 degree, the potential energy is 0. Then the dipole is said to be not in equilibrium and the torque is maximum. So this is the orientation of the dipole. Thank you.